Left hand to fix. Hello! Another windy day. The doctor is freezing. Turbo freezing. Never gonna be summer. Have to go to Florida. I told you the wrong day. I'm going tomorrow. So, this is the windshield wipers. Not working too good. Small problem. The nuts are loose. It's loose nuts. Hello. Just have to tighten the nuts. The only problem is the screws that hold the cover on the nuts was rusted. Had to drill the screws. And the best way to drill them is with the left hand drill bits. Hello. So I tighten them. Don't break them. You break them, you buy them. Put on the fluid film. Oh, this one's loose too. Not very good. Tighten fluid film. No more play. It's working well. Don't need the special tool to remove this one because it comes off. I'll show you. I show you. Junk. Diesel. Turbo. Junk. Empty. 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 And this new Suburbans windshield wipers stay up by themselves. Over center. It's a very good idea. Only took Detroit about 50 years to figure it out. Lift it up. Open the little clip. And when you lower it, the wiper rocks. Like rock and roll. Don't need the special tool. Just take it off. So, I tighten everything up. Very tight. Stinking tight. Don't forget to put the hose. I take everything off. The T-rack. Put it over here. Fluid film. It's good stuff. Scratched. Put on the plastic cover and put it away. So tomorrow I go to Florida. If I would have gone to the airport today, I would have been there one day early. That's crazy. Okay, there's the screws. The doctor.